Hello everyone, as promised, I will start the new series of paper implementation and the first paper in this series is spectral analysis of lung sounds for classification of asthma and pneumonia wheezing. And here as you can see, when I search this paper on Google, then we will open its relevant IEEE paper. And today we will basically in this series we will see how to implement this paper step by step, and another additional thing that I will be sharing with you guys is its practical deployable GUI, and which you guys can see from here. I will be uploading all the relevant codes, notebooks, and the implemented stuff in this repository. I will also share the link in this YouTube video and the upcoming videos.